Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Von Bretzel. I have the SAGA. This is a 1971 G20 van. She's a work in progress, so this is part number one. The outside of it, basically it is a homemade conversion. It's Dana 44 up front, 12 bolt in the rear. Nothing too crazy. It's got a 354 bolt main in it. It's right in the process of a fuel injection conversion. Been a little lazy, so haven't got it done. It's also a 4-speed top loader in it, so it's a little different with that too. She's sitting on 37-inch Kevlar military tires, 16.5 rims, which are a nightmare to find tires for. Body mods, we got some through-haul exhaust on it. All of these grates you see in there, those are all notorious spots that rot out on these, so those have all been stainless steel patch panels welded in to eliminate any rusting in the process in the future. We even went as far as drilling and coating inside the rockers on it to completely seal her. Paint is not done. Little issues with paint and body, but you know, paint's not done. It is actually rhino liner. That is 7 gallons of rhino liner on it. Probably about 400 pounds of paint on the thing. And I can drag her through the trees and leaves no scrapes, no scuffs, no nothing. She is a used 4-wheel drive. I do not baby her. She goes through the mud up over the headlights. I do drag it through trees, and she is just a workhorse. It's my baby, the SAGA. This is my girl. So it's also got the party hat up on the top. Once upon a time, it was actually had a tree smash the thing. So she now has a high roof on her, which absolutely makes an awesome difference. Again, you know, just she's still in the process. Still got to get some pinstriping done and names put on and all that good stuff. Mikey. But pinstriping by Mikey's going to be the guy doing it. If you ever need anything, check him out. He's the man.
So you did some custom work here?
We did also. These are also the welded in stainless steel panels, and it's basically all reshaped because it's actually got a little more of a flare than the factory does here to clear a little bit.
It's a little bit more air in for your brakes and
stuff. It does that too. Yeah. It does. Again, you know, I'll continuing the whole theme with all the rhino line. It's all, and unfortunately I didn't even have a chance to clean it. But again, she is a used daily driven 4x4. So pretty happy with the way things are turning out. Really happy with the way she runs and drives. I can 75 down the highway, let go of the wheel, and she doesn't drift. She doesn't move, change lanes, nothing. It's extremely smooth. So basically moving along the inside, you know, you got your typical steps and all that good stuff. I got a buddy staying in it right now. His van broke down. So he's staying in her, and honestly, it probably looks a little more purposeful, even better right now with him staying in it. But so here she is. Again, she's not done, but we've had the seats all redone, and that's about as far as we've gotten so far.
Let me show you the seats. Sure, yeah.
This is my lovely assistant, Jen.
Oh yes. Hey, Jen.
Hey.
You're good, brother. You're good.
Nice guy.
Here's the man.
No, we told you.
He come down. He's on his way down to the truck in here from Tennessee, and his van broke down where
Savannah.
In Savannah.
Yeah.
And he actually left the van there and continued to come down to party with us.
Yeah, since you have so many vans,
since we got so many, I have 3 of them at this event, so we always more than happy to have someone else stay.
There you go.
So
that's true vanner.
True vanning.
That's right.
So
yeah, nice seats. Yeah.
This is all basically, you know, seats all made. These are the original seats that are just recovered.
Dickie's upholstery.
Dickie's upholstery did. Awesome place.
Trash can designed them.
Trash can design. Okay. And again, everything else is, again, just all the, I can't emphasize enough the rhino lining that went into this thing.
Yeah.
It's extremely hard to get that material to lay down flat. And
so you got the overhead console up there?
We got the overhead console up there. That's all original equipment from back in the day. Again, she is a 1971, so she's 50 years old. And
custom wheel there?
We have a custom wheel there that came with the van. But gauges, they actually work. So that's always a plus in an old van.
You got your big shifter there.
Quite a big shifter, and it's also even has a threaded on nut and bolt to be able to pull that off to access the engine compartment, which is still a nightmare.
Oh, okay, that was a good idea.
But
yeah,
it's
good idea.
and again, it basically came out of paint and body. It went straight to Tennessee for a show, and I've been so busy, nothing else has been done. So as you can see, it's not even cleared or anything yet. It's just basically driving it. It doesn't even have seals in it, and I'm just driving the hell out of it.
And this shifter here,
this is the transfer case.
Yeah.
It's an MP205 transfer case. So that's my four-wheel drive, and it works flawlessly. Hasn't let me down yet with it. I've snatched out quite a few people, equipment, this and that, trees, you name it. And she does it. She just keeps on doing it.
And you got the big bed in the back.
Big bed.
Oh yeah.
As a big guy, I like a big bed. Plenty of room for my golden retriever, and Genuine gets to go in there sometimes. So.
Yeah, and then you still have plenty of room. What do you have like under here?
That's actually just again true vanning. I couldn't afford or build anything at the time, so those are just some peach crates.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Made a table out of.
Yeah.
And yeah, it works.
Mm-hmm.
So just your little water up there, and basically that's all him. It's bare with me. But so yeah, again, just in the process of starting to take care of doing the interior next. That'll be episode 2.
That's right. Then we'll do an update.
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
And y'all can
We'll do an update.
side by side the clips and see what we've done.
Exactly.
So
yeah, I see you still have the old the speakers up there.
I do.
The hanger and stuff.
Yep.
A little bit of storage.
Yep, a little storage is really nice. Comes in handy.
Yeah.
Storage all underneath it. Just tremendous amount of storage. So she does really well.
Any episodes you got into or with it as far as pulling people out or getting stuck or anything?
The latest one was my niece who forgot to put her side by side in 4-wheel drive. She buried it pretty well.
Yeah.
But no, just before that was, I believe, just a Jeep. You know, nothing nothing rough for this. But
Okay. Very cool. Well,
So,
all right, well, thanks for showing to us.
thank you for watching.
We've seen it at several truck-ins and been wanting to film it for quite a while. And
been trying to wait until she's more done, and it's just,
Never
well,
ending
here
battle.
she
We'll do
is.
an update.
You know,
Yeah,
it's
I mean, the seats and all, that's all new from last time we talked to you.
absolutely,
And
absolutely
we'll do an update next time.
awesome. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.